In this video, I'll show you how to create a backlog in Jira Scrum boards using Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, ask Claude to generate a product backlog for your project. For example, you can type, create a Jira Scrum backlog for a food delivery mobile app. Include epics, user stories, tasks, priorities, and sprint recommendations. Format everything as a CSV file that can be imported into Jira. After that, review the backlog items that Claude generates and make any changes you want before exporting or downloading the file. Now, save the file from Claude and open Jira. Next, go to Settings, then System, and select External System Import. After that, choose CSV as the import option and upload the file you downloaded from Claude. Now, Jira will guide you through several import screens. Follow the prompts, map the fields if necessary, and continue through each step. Next, keep clicking Continue until the import process is completed. After that, Jira will automatically create the backlog items from your Claude file. Now, open your Scrum project and click Backlog in the left-hand menu. You should see all the imported epics, stories, and tasks ready to be organized. Finally, review the backlog, adjust priorities if needed, and start planning your first sprint. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a backlog in Jira Scrum boards using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.